Hello my friends, this is Hani Amari. Thank you for watching my videos. In this video, you are going to understand 5 things to dominate the online business. So keep watching and I will see you after this short intro. Welcome back my friends. I usually share my honest and actual experience working online as as an affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business since 2017. These 5 things you need to understand and then to work on or to follow to dominate the online business. I'm going to refer to my iPad and my notes to explain these 5 things. The first one, because I suppose that you now have your foundation and you understand very well how the online business works. So the first step you need to take after that is to find a mentor. My friend, this is a long journey. You need to make sure that you are on the right way. The mentor will give you the best because he's supposed to have an actual experience and already work in this business and have a lot of experience, or maybe he's a coach or a teacher or have his own course or things like this. So you're gonna hire this mentor to correct you just in case you made a mistake, like to help you map out your strategy and to understand where you are and what are you going to do. I'm not saying that it must be, but it's recommended because maybe you keep working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and then you understand that you have already missed some steps from the beginning. So for a month or for 2 months, according to your ability to how to afford that, hire a mentor who will follow up with you by Skype, by Zoom, by any other communication. You send him email, he replied to you. He of course have let's say his Facebook group or anything else, so that you will understand your situation and you will make sure that you are in the right place on the right way. The second thing you need to go for and start right now is to find a good offer. My friends, you know, now when you spend like an hour searching, checking or watching videos, you'll come across 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 10 offers, that shiny objects, people offering all kind of online business. So you need to understand which is the best, the better, which is like fit with your skills, with your abilities, and you have a full satisfaction with that. I recommend that you join a course that fit, as I said, with your skills, and you like it, and you are sure that you're gonna make a progress and follow up with this journey to work online. Me personally, my experience, I bought 3 courses. I only made a full satisfaction with only one, which is the 4%. Of course, next month, because they are launching a new version, which is 4.0 of the 4%, which it will be incredible, because I already attended many seminar, many online meetings, and they sent us many information by email or things like this. It will be incredible, but this is not my point right now. So when they launch the new version of this, I'm going to focus on this only, because it is kind of an excellent, good information, a good training, a good people to work with, and there is something you can give to the market. This is so important that the course. Why I didn't promote the two courses? I already bought, and I already finished the training, because I'm not satisfied what the service they are giving to the markets. They are like others offering like the same service, but there is nothing unique for that. So when you join a training or a course, you will understand what the details, what's inside this course, what kind of services, or what kind of business, online business they are offering. So you'll decide like to market this, to recommend it to your people, friends, surrounding, anyone. So make sure that you find a good offer. There is hundreds, maybe thousands of offers. You can do your check, ask many questions, and, like join groups, join forum communities, that by the end you'll understand which one is good and better for you. The third thing that you need to also understand is where you are, what's your situation, who are your clients, and whom you can serve better. So let's say, and for me, my experience now, I'm offering my service to people who already started their first steps working online, or even they are planning to work online. So I can give information. I can give value for them, to give a free information in videos, or if someone get in touch personally, I will advise him honestly to be away from this, to keep focusing on this, and think like this. So when you understand your clients, it will be easy for you, because maybe you are going to promote health and fitness, maybe you are going to promote self-development. So when you understand your situation, that you will be able to map up a strategy to work on that. I mean, what kind of value you are going to give, what kind of services you are offering to your students or clients who will buy from you, or join you, or asking you for the service. This is so important. Give it enough time to think about it and decide who is your clients. The fourth one, which is the most important, not for you, not for me, for all the markets, all the marketer, all the people who are trying or working already online, which is the traffic. My friend, the traffic is the lifeblood. Without the traffic, there is no business. Without people buy and even with show interest, there will be no business, no working online. Of course, we spoke a lot, and a lot of people also give details about the traffic. There is the paid, there is the free. There is a lot of platforms offering this kind of services. My recommendation for you is to start the organic traffic. Organic traffic coming from YouTube channel, from your Facebook account, from Instagram, or any other platform. You have an account, so, and also you have friends, you have contacts, you have followers, subscribers. So those people, when you get ready and you have good offer, so you're gonna offer them or show them this kind of service you are offering. You'll find a lot of people who show interest and will join you and buy from you. I'm going to record many videos about the traffic, and by the way, the 4% have launched their Internet Academy, which is really interesting and good. There is a lot of good information, up to date. It's like a version launched right now. So I'm going to pick up the good information then to explain to you here so that you get benefit from that. My friend, also in between, it came in my mind right now. I recommend you make the online business your second interest. Don't, like, for example, quit your job. Don't like say that I will only work online, because it needs time. I mean, honestly, it needs time. It's long journey, but it is really valuable. It is really precious. It is really worthy if you invest your time and then invest some money and you grow organically. So you will enjoy it because it's a great business, and millions of people join yearly, or a lot of people in the circle of trying to make their decision to join this online business. So the fifth thing that you need to understand, also put it in your mind and work on it. If you are already working online and having some sales, things like this, you need to scale out your business. I mean, if you made some sales and make some money, so you need to like deduct some of this money and to scale out. I mean, like, to scale out is to spend more on ads, like to find other options that you can reach people more and more. This is so important because, if you are satisfied, you made, like, now you have 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 sales per month. You should make it more and more, and that by investing more money on traffic, and also maybe investing more time. There is a lot of recommendation in between. I only want to mention, I finished for the 5 things, but I only want to mention that after you find an offer and understand your situation, you will think about the process of automating your work. Because not like, for example, to make your online work like a job, it will not be like interesting. You should automate a lot of activities, and this automation come by understanding and joining, or also working on plugging the autoresponder. Also, if you already understand how to build the sales funnel, this is all kind of automation, so that your business will work for you at night when you are traveling, or anywhere you are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna upload daily videos speaking about the online business. So don't miss out, and keep watching my videos, checking my channel, and I will see. Sorry, I forgot. Please subscribe, because if you subscribe and comment below, I will consider that the information I'm giving now is giving value to you and other people. So subscribe, comment, and give me a thumb up. And if you want more information, don't hesitate to email me or submit a request from my website, haniamri.com, and I will see you very soon. Thank you.